friends, welcome to Therapy Thursdays on Louisiana Living. We are physical therapy and balance centers. I am Angela Yarborough and this is Dr. Jerry Yarborough. And what are we doing here? Well, we are talking about different disease processes, and we are just talking about different ailments, different things that keep you from loving your life. That is one of our mottos, is love your life. And we just wanted to give back to the community and just give you some things that you can do for some things that might be preventing you from loving your life. So why don't you tell us exactly what we're going to be doing?
All right. First, like you said, I'm Dr. Jerry Yarborough, physical therapist, and my sweet wife, Angela. By trade, she's actually a nurse. So, together, I opened the Jonesboro clinic about 20 years ago. I actually have about 27 years experience as a therapist. And then 7 years ago, we opened up here in Ruston. And just about 3 weeks ago, we opened up in ElDorado, Arkansas now. So what we're doing, like she said, is we're talking about different diseases or impairments that are affecting your quality of life. And, at Physical Therapy and Balance Centers, our desire is to help you love your life. So we're going to discuss those impairments. We're going to discuss how physical and occupational therapy can help you rehab from those impairments. And then we're going to always give you a takeaway of what you can start doing immediately to start making a change in your life and improving your quality of life. So again, come and see us every Thursday here on Louisiana Living. You can look us up on myarclemis.com or our personal Facebook page, physicalruston.com. Or you can even go to our Facebook page or even our YouTube channel. We have lots of videos and lots of education out there to help educate the community. Now, we want you to come back in the next two segments in which we'll start talking about certain ailments or impairments. And then, like I said, what physical and occupational therapy can help you overcome those impairments. And then again, we're always going to leave off with what you can do immediately to start helping improve your quality of life. So come back and see us and we'll get started. Thank you. Welcome back to Therapy Thursdays here in Louisiana Living. I'm Dr. Jerry Yarborough, owner of Physical Therapy and Balance Centers, Ruston and Jonesboro, Louisiana, and now even ElDorado, Arkansas. Today we're very privileged to have Dr. Rachel Atkins come, and she's going to be teaching us about muscle relaxation. So I'm just going to turn it over to you.
Great, thanks for having me. As Dr. Jerry said, we are talking about progressive muscle relaxation today. This is a technique that's used to decrease tension in your muscles. Most of us walk around with tension that we don't even realize that we're carrying. And unfortunately, the way our bodies work is that when we have increased tension, that directly correlates with anxious thoughts and vice versa. So one way to combat anxiety or stress and even pain is by using this technique as a response to that stress in order to learn to relax. Progressive muscle relaxation is a technique for deep muscle relaxation that decreases any anxious thoughts that you might be having. It relieves stress, and again, it does lower pain levels. Studies have even shown progressive muscle relaxation to have the same benefits as a session of acupuncture in decreasing stress, pain, and even anger. So you might find this to be a useful technique if those are any struggles that you have. Also, most libraries and many audio recordings are found online if you would like to look for an audio online to walk you through these techniques. I will walk you through them as well, but you can find them in other places. This will hopefully help you increase awareness of tension in your body, and the more you practice, the more you'll be able to naturally relax without thinking about it much throughout the day. The gist of how it works is that we are going to tense different muscle groups as we inhale, and then we will relax these muscle groups as we exhale. So stay tuned for our next segment where I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do this relaxation technique.
Awesome. Awesome, thank you so much. I know this is really important because that stress and that muscle tension creates a lot of negative things in our bodies,
Exactly.
like harmful chemicals, decrease in blood flow, impinging on our nerves, all that kind of stuff. So
Yes.
this is an excellent topic, guys. So come back in the next segment and Dr. Rachel will show us all how to perform this. Hey guys, welcome back to Therapy Thursdays on Louisiana Living. I'm Dr. Jerry Yarborough, owner of Physical Therapy and Balance Centers. And today we're privileged to have Dr. Rachel Atkins here. In the previous segment, she started talking to you about progressive muscle relaxation. And in this segment, she's going to demonstrate. And our office manager, Crystal Sterling, stepped in here to help demonstrate also.
All right. So today we are going to work through the technique of progressive muscle relaxation. And this will help you to decrease stress and anxiety and just release tension in your body. You want to start by sitting or lying down in a quiet, dark place where you can relax. And you're going to start with your eyes closed so that you can be nice and relaxed. So go ahead and close your eyes. And we're going to start at the bottom of our bodies and work our way up. Now, we won't have time in this segment to go through the entire session, but we are going to start with our toes. And go ahead, Crystal, and scrunch your toes and inhale. And you're going to inhale for about 4 seconds, and then relax your toes and exhale. And go ahead and breathe along with us as we do this. Take a couple deep breaths, inhale and exhale. Next, you're going to point your toes as you inhale at 4 counts. Inhale, 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 and then exhale and relax your legs down. And you'll go ahead and take a few deep inhales and exhales in between each of these. We're going to continue for the sake of time. Now, Crystal, I want you to inhale for 4 counts again and straighten your knees. So lift your legs up all the way, good. Inhale for 4 counts, and then relax and exhale. Completely relax, and you can slow your exhale, but you go ahead and do a quick relaxation of the muscles. Crystal, go ahead and open your eyes, and I'll just briefly talk you through the next steps. So the next muscle you're going to tense is your abdomen, and you can tighten by curling forward. Inhale, 4 counts, exhale and relax. The next muscle groups, I'll just tell you, and you can work on these on your own time. Next, you would arch your low back and do your breathing technique. Next, you would clench your fists with the breathing technique. Then you would flex your elbows and then do your relaxing. Then you would shrug your shoulders. Then you would clench your jaw, scrunch your eyes, and pucker your lips. So those are the techniques, starting from the bottom all the way up to the top. And I want you, each time you relax, to just notice the warm, heavy, relaxed sensation of the muscle group while you're exhaling. And you might even be so lucky as to be relaxed enough to go to sleep at this point. So I hope that you can use these progressive muscle relaxation techniques to decrease tension, stress, and anxiety in your daily life, and I hope you find it useful.
Awesome. Thank you, Dr. Rachel, and thank you, Crystal, for your help in demonstrating that. Guys, this is awesome stuff. Make sure you use it. This really is going to help you relax, decrease your anxiety, decrease your stress, decrease even depression. It's good. Gives you energy, makes you feel better, and helps decrease pain. So really utilize these techniques, and come back and see us next week on Therapy Thursdays on Louisiana Living. Again, I'm Dr. Jerry Yarborough, owner of Physical Therapy and Balance Centers of Ruston and Jonesboro, Louisiana, and ElDorado, Arkansas. Thank you.